What are the types of fatty acids? Fatty acids are classified based on the presence and number of double bonds in their carbon chain. They are generally categorized as saturated fatty acids, monounsaturated fatty acids, and polyunsaturated fatty acids. We will discuss them in detail. Saturated fatty acids. They have no double bonds in their carbon chain, making them straight and tightly packed. Examples include palmitic acid and stearic acid, monounsaturated fatty acids. They have one double bond in their carbon chain, causing a bend or kink in the chain. Examples include oleic acid, polyunsaturated fatty acids. They have two or more double bonds in their carbon chain, leading to more bends and less compact packing. Examples include linoleic acid and alpha-linolenic acid.